Hi guys, today I'm explaining Astra theme. In previous classes, I explained the basic concepts such what is digital marketing, what is domain hosting, and basic themes in WordPress like minimize theme and after elemental plugin. Today is the Astra theme. Always maintain two tabs when you're designing, then you don't confuse. This is my subdomain. First, after login to your dashboard, just click on appearance, theme section. I'm already activated Astra theme. Just activating Astra theme is simple process. Just activate once again. Just activate random theme. This is our theme theme. Now I'm converting into Astra theme. Initially add new theme, search after just search an Astra. Or else Astra is very popular. It becomes in the already it shows in your appearance section. Just you can show here after logging to dashboard before even you don't even install. Just click and activate on you can see this. You can see this kind of dash here. And now you can easily complete website within 2 to 3 minutes by using Astra. After activating Astra, you can install the starter templates. You can see your starter templates. This Astra dashboard. You can Astra dashboard. You can see here starter templates. Just click on Astra dashboard. You can see the starter templates. These are the pre-built templates. Just click on start building. We can see the 300 more than templates for all kind of businesses already activated. Just click on activate. This is the magic. Just click on build with classic starter templates. Select Elementor because by using Astra plus Elementor, you can design a complete website. By default, they give all the kind of business websites. Just we need to customize it. Just see here how many templates there. Business, agency, restaurant, hotel, construction, real estate, for local business, personal care, professionals. In the starter templates, you can find the all types of services, business websites. Many are premium, but few are free. Free templates also good, but we have whenever we have to more professional website, then go for the premium version. Premium version is extremely super. They give the more options and better looks. So just we tried one starter templates in business, like in a restaurant. We can try a restaurant or electrician, plumber, car garage. Just try in the plumber. These are the returning plumber business also. Just see the which temple is good. This one is premium. I think this one is also good. Just see here, they given the headline section with image, home section, call to action button, live call action, line call to action here, one more call to action, services, two two slides here, one image, one call to action, customer reviews, our work, business hours, name and locations, social icons, everything they built. Just we need to customize it. Just go back, try one more. I don't find anything much better because this is the first time I'm trying number type of business. Okay, just click on one activate one theme. Just we can see that how it is. After we can customize it. Just click on down. You can continue. Skip this step. Skip. Just take hard 1 minute or less than even 1 minute. Your complete website will be ready. This is the beauty of Astra. You don't need to spend more time and more hard work in this thing. They give everything. You need to customize based on your business services like your names, your contact details, your locations, your services. Just step. Just this is the whenever actually this blog is all I'm written in the January 4. Initially, this is the type of website. Now we can see how our website looks by using Astra. Look, for designing this kind of website takes more than 1 week to 2 weeks. Anyone by using Astra, I made it within less than 2 to 3 minutes only. Just I open the dashboard, activate the theme, use the starter templates, and activate this theme. If if we say this theme to members, type of member services, we can charge up to 30K to 40K and in US more than $300 to $500. Just see the how much $300. You can say minimum $300 in US this kind of websites, and for maximum case you can expect more because these are the main landing pages for any services. It seems really extremely good. Two columns, headline text, call to action, image. We can change this image later completely. After whenever you have complete details of your services, you can change it completely according to your your base. You can select your name here. You can add your address here. Just you can see this edit with Elementor. Just I'm showing how to customize by using Elementor. Keep by working. You can see you can give your contact us button here. Always remove this hashtag and give the link. Here you can change images. Here you can change phone number. You can change the customer names. You can your own photos with your own names. You can change these photos also. Again here number. You can change these timings. I think this is not changed because this is a footer. You need to activate one more plugin. Like this is the Elementor plugin. For footer and header, you can if you want to change the footer and header, you can change by using customize option or Elementor header and footer plugin. But initially with this kind of this top, you can change here like best something says also use the description here. This is same similar. If you once you can activate this thing, after you can change according to your niche and your contact details and your information. After just click on publish. Don't forget to publish. If you don't publish, it will not save. Just click on refresh. That's it. This is how you design a website by using Elementor and Astra in WordPress. So that's it today's class. Just activate the Astra theme. And you can select if you don't like this kind of theme, you can change more themes. Just click on appearance. You can see starter templates here. Just click on starter templates. In what in Astra, they provide more than 300 child teams to design a websites for all kind of niches, all kind of services. Always click on Elementor, then only you can edit easily. Don't select this block editor. It makes it difficult to customize the website. Click on Elementor, and after you want like this kind of themes, Slumber, go to Slumber, change this theme, which is your favorite one, or your website is anything like salon, beauty, yoga, spa. You can select this kind of these these templates. You can see this kind of this is beautiful spa. Even if you activate this theme and after customize, you can sell this to more than 400 to $500 in US also. For business, we have any starting agencies or we have a restaurant or any pets in professional also for any medical consultant, photography, whatever. In this starter templates, you can find all types of services. Just click on activate and customize with your details and publish it. That's it. That's it, today's class. Um, and I'm explain two to three more steps in this website designing. This is the just come back dashboard. First, for designing a website or even digital marketing, you need a domain hosting. Without domain hosting, you cannot create this kind of websites and you cannot learn digital marketing completely. You need domain hosting. I told earlier, purchasing domain, Bluehost is a better option, or have any budget concerns, go for the Hostinger or GoDaddy, Big Rock. After purchasing domain hosting, always start from the basic. First, I said use customize, not customize, use minimize theme. It is a basic theme. After using minimize theme, you can try into different types of themes, an Elementor, an Astra theme with starter templates. Just explore the menu options. You can change menu. If you add an extra pages like blogs, privacy, or themes, you can add here. On customize option, this is the option we use many times. Here you can change completely. Header, site logo. You can give your logo. Just remove this. You can add your logo. There is no image, no logos in my dashboard, so I don't select anything. But you can select. You can upload your logo. In customize option, you can change the basic things in header section. Yeah, just click on pencil symbol. There is this option with call to action button. I think it's not editing. You can change your phone number here. And footer also you can change copyright. Usually for designing or changing header and footer, you can change here customize options. Or if you find difficult it is, then go for header and footer plugin. But remember one thing, don't try to install more plugins in WordPress because it takes more loading time for your website. So always try avoid the install more themes. There is this option. not coming, but it's come here. Just spend one more minute here. Yeah, see, you can see the address here. You can change address here. Just spend a time to find the there is an exact option. You can give your address, remove this address, and after find the make publish. If you don't publish, it's not save. That's it for today's video with Astra thing. For my next class, I explain the how to get the WhatsApp, but how to get WhatsApp button here and chatbot plugin and one more options like the translator plugin. In contact us, you can get the contact form. You can design a contact form from basic from the start, and you can try to do few more plugins like WhatsApp button, chatbot plugin, translator, any one more. Right? That's it today's class. Subscribe for more videos in digital marketing. If you want to learn digital marketing, just comment this. I want to comment. I can give a reply back. You can also make videos like me. I suggest one of my best training, who provides training for me. Just you can watch one video, then you can feel much better. And that's it today's class. Thank you.